Have you ever wondered how you can really know the market is actually changing the direction of the market? This is a problem that many traders have. They are unable to identify when the trend of the market is coming to an end and another trend is actually taking over. So what do I really mean by this? You're selling, okay, but you cannot really know the market when it is changing the direction. That's a problem most people have, and many traders will tend to actually hold their orders for long, expecting the market to really change the direction. Then this fails and you end up losing your money. So there is many ways that you can use to really identify, rather to know when trend is coming to an end. Number one, you can actually look at the sizes of candlestick pattern. Number two, you can look at market structure. When structures are actually broken, maybe the market was rising, you had your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then boom, the market changes the direction. You start seeing lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. That's what you can probably look, and that's why you can look at the momentum on that chart. Okay, so guys, in this video I really want us to look at this brand new indicator by LuxAlgo. This indicator shows us reversal signal, LuxAlgo, and of course it cannot give us signals without having a trend reversal. Okay, so guys, this indicator is actually paying attention on many things so that we can really know the market is actually changing. Number one, it pays attention on momentum, and number two, exhaustion of any trend. Okay, so guys, that is what we're basically going to look about this indicator. And just a preview, let me show you how the indicator looks right on your chart. So guys, this is the indicator I'm basically talking about, and to add it on your chart you need a Tradingview account. The indicator is super free, so to add it, click on indicators tab, then you're just going to type LuxAlgo reversal. You're just going to click on this one, reversal signals, LuxAlgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it's actually going to appear right on your chart. So guys, if you can look on this indicator right here, you can see there is a red highlight over here, and we have a green highlight as well, and we have alphabetical. Now we have an A and a P, and definitely with different colors. And without even thinking much, you can probably see when the market is actually showing you the red highlightation over here, you can know that's a downtrend, and that tells you to look for your selling orders. And basically when you see this showing a green highlight over here, that you know that's an uptrend. Okay, but guys, I really want us to understand the description and how we can really use this indicator. So allow me to talk about the description of that great indicator by LuxAlgo called the reversal signal, LuxAlgo. Okay, so as you're supposed to understand, the reversal signal indicator is a technical analysis tool that aims to identify when a trend is fading and potentially starting to reverse. So it is a counter trend tool. The reversal signal indicator aims to solve the problem of several technical analysis indicators that perform well during trending market but struggle in ranging market. So by understanding the key concept and application of the tool, traders can enhance their market timing and improve their trading strategies. So guys, that's the description of this indicator, and that's what it really entails. Okay, so guys, I would love us to look at the usage of this great indicator. Let me start by telling you, like, this indicator called the reversal signal indicator is comprised of two main phases. Number one, we have a momentum phase, and number two, we have the trend exhaustion phase. These phases helps identify potential trend reversals in bullish, bearish, and ranging market. So guys, allow me to start with the momentum phase. Based on the extreme of the momentum phase, the reversal signals generate support and resistance levels as well as risk stop levels, just as you can see on my chart right here. So guys, if you can look closely, just what you have really seen, this is a reversal of the market. Okay, and what you can probably see, it is based on extremes of the momentum phase, whereby the reversal signal indicator generates support and resistance levels as well as stop risk levels. Okay, so this was a bullish momentum phase over here, and as what we saw before, the reversal signal is it provides with support and resistance level, what you can probably see over here, and you will see them right on your chart indicator just like this. Okay, and they work as well as your stop or risk level, where you're just going to place your stop losses, but make sure you're actually placing your stop losses slightly below. Don't exactly place on that level over there. Okay, so guys, we will see a P level on your chart, or rather a P identification on your chart over here. So a P level, what you can see over here, stands for perfection, which is ideal momentum phase completion. In other cases, where shows you an empty label. Okay, so consider a P label where it stands for perfection. exhaustion, which is ideal momentum phase completion. So that what you're really supposed to understand. On those P levels, you're just going to see maybe in red, and also these levels you will see right here, they have a meaning. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've really understood about extremes based on momentum phase. So let's look at the trend exhaustion phase. So the trend exhaustion phase, it starts after completing the momentum phase and consists of a 3 candle count. So in a phase trend exhaustion phase, each candle close is compared to the close of 2 candles earlier, and the 2 close must be greater than the 2 periods earlier. In a bearish trend exhaustion phase, each candle close is compared to the close of 2 candles earlier, and the close must be lower than the close 2 periods earlier. So the trend exhaustion phase does not require a consecutive sequence of candles. So if the order of candles is interrupted, the trend exhaustion phase is not cancelled. The trend exhaustion phase generates a stronger trading signal than the momentum phase, with the potential of longer lasting price reversal. So what does this tell you? You can really pay attention when it shows you a trend exhaustion. So just as you can see much a try here. So this is what we probably mean by the trend exhaustion phase, which basically starts after completing the momentum phase. That's when you're supposed to see this trend exhaustion. It generates a stronger trading signal than the momentum phase. Okay, so the reversal signal indicator generates as was top risk levels as well as probable target levels. Okay, so what you can probably see over here indicated by this E over here, it shows you as top risk levels. Okay, so label E indicates a trend exhaustion phase completion. That's what you're really supposed to understand. Remember, we have P, which we saw before, and now we have E, which indicates a trend exhaustion phase completion. And as well, you see numbers under the candles displays the process of the phase. So that's what you're really supposed to understand. The numbers under, which you can see over here in green and they are in red as well, this shows us the process of the phase. So guys, we're being told that this exhaustion phase tends to be more accurate than the momentum phase. That generates stronger trading signal. And how have you really learned about this? It shows us a very great and understandable trend of the market. As well, it shows us our stop risk level we saw before, and as well the probable target levels. How does this show you, or what are you supposed to really know about this? The market really pushes to the upside, and when it gets to this level over here, we exit the trade at this given point. So it shows you a probable target points. That's the importance of that indicator. Okay, and as well guys, I would love to show you this indicator shows us trading signal, and the reversal script indicator presents an overall setups and some phase specific trade setup options where probable trades must be considered. All trade setup presented as options are triggered once the selected phase is completed and followed by a price flip in the direction of trade setup. Enter a trade at the momentum phase completion and search for buy or sell bullish momentum phase pattern is complete. Ideally, the momentum phase completion should close near its support or resistance line but shall not be above them, which indicates continuation of the trend. Okay, this is so easy to really understand, and as you can see much a try here, all phase specific trade setup presented as options are triggers to understand when you want to execute trade. Paying attention on momentum, paying attention on exhaustion, and as well paying attention to know the qualified one. So we'll cover this in my next video, but that's what I really wanted you to really know about this indicator. Okay, it's a very great indicator showing us a lot of things. There is momentum phase, exhaustion phase, trade setup, and that's how you're supposed to really use it executing trades. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. So guys, what do I say? Bye bye, see you in my next video. Success and everything you do. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. Bye guys.